So first of all, heartiest congratulations for getting your CCI Enterprise Infrastructure certification done. How it feels like.
Now it's been great, and thank you all of you guys for awesome training, support, and resources. Everything was awesome.
So can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your background into the IT industry, please?
Actually, I have around 25 years of experience in IT, and actually, it is my third attempt for CCI lab. So it was before it was a self preparation, but now I got found you guys, and now it's completed. It's done.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So in terms of CCI Enterprise Infrastructure, what motivated you to go for CCI Enterprise Infrastructure? Because you were working in the same domain, same areas?
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
Around 90% is this domain, same domain, but the new thing was for me the SD-WAN.
okay.
Yeah, this is the reason to go into this track.
And if I'm not wrong, you enrolled last year, 2023, in the CCI Enterprise Infrastructure
Yes.
Lab exam. You started from, I think, February month, if I'm not wrong, right?
No,
January.
August. August. I started from August.
Okay, August 2023.
Three.
Okay. And it took you 1.5 year to complete all your
Yeah,
intensive classes,
approx.
learning,
Yeah,
labs, and then
exactly,
last one,
exactly.
2 months you exclusively focus on the lab exam preparation, right?
Yeah, last 2 months. Yeah.
So based on your experience, what would you suggest to other candidates, those who are planning for their CCI Enterprise Infrastructure certification, that what approach should they take?
Actually, first I completed your online training because there is a time difference. So I was not able to take live classes. So I normally took uh, recorded classes, but after another day. So first I completed whole training provided you guys, including routing, switching, SD-WAN, and everything. Once completed understanding, then start preparation for the lab exam.
Okay.
During the labs, short labs included in your course, I did every lab, understand each and everything.
Okay.
And I don't think there is anything left from you guys which is included in a, you can say in a lab or in the literature exam. Everything was included.
Mhm. And how you got to know about IMEDITA? Because the CCI Enterprise Infrastructure training which you enrolled last year, I think this is the first time you are taking any training with us. So how you got to know
Yeah,
about this?
actually, first I was searching the local vendors, US and Canada. So they are very expensive, around 10K thousand.
Okay.
So then I thought, should I search for from the India? Then I Google it, CCI provider in India. Then I got you guys.
Okay.
Luckily.
So whenever we enroll for any kind of training, certification, or whenever we buy any kind of services, before taking those services, we do have certain expectations. Now you have completed your training, your certification.
Mhm.
So I would like to understand from your end, were we able to meet your expectation which you were having before enrolling with IMEDITA?
Everything. 100% I got as my expectation. Uh, the way you, especially I would like to thank, especially for the Surendra Singh, then you guys for awesome support. So the way he teach, I like it. And it's 100% understandable what is teaching. So uh, I clear everything, every doubt about the technology. Now I am ready to give any type of interview related with the BGP, OSPF, everything.
Okay.
So right now I am applying for the CCI jobs. Yeah, that's
Okay.
it.
And before your examination, what kind of approach you took to prepare for the examination? Because learning the technology is a separate aspect. You can give 1 hour, 2 hour, but before the examination, I assume you were spending 4, 5 hours every day for your lab practice, right?
So around 12 hours,
12
12
hours.
hours, because yeah, 10 to 12 hours, and I got a vacation for before 2 weeks. Then just there was a practice around 15 hours a day
Okay.
before the exam.
And you were working during this time when you were preparing for your CCI training and CCI examination. Were you working that time?
Yeah, exactly. But I took vacation 2 weeks before the exam.
Okay. So how difficult or easy was this for you to work, learn, and there are different time zones when you are taking classes, when you are performing the labs and doing examination preparation. So how did you manage everything? Family, personal life, training, exam preparation, work schedule.
So actually, it was not a new for me. So it is my routine to study further around 5 to 6 hours daily. Yeah.
Okay, great.
So it was not difficult to manage the time, especially for this CCIE.
Okay, great. And how was your experience with your instructor, Mr. Surin?
Great. Awesome.
And what
I
kind
don't have words
of
to thank you, Surendra Singh.
okay, great. And what kind of material did you follow for exam preparation?
Material provided by you guys on the for the lab as well as for the lectures, online lectures, and the short labs for each topic.
And any feedback, any suggestion for us from your side? Do you have anything through which we might
No,
improve our training and services in future?
no, I think you guys are awesome in every aspect of the training, from the administration point of view, from the support, and from the training, and from the knowledge. I found awesome.
Thank you for your valuable feedback and comments. Also, I would
No
like to
problem.
know from your end, because you took everything online, your training, when you were not able to attend the classes, you referred the video recordings,
Yes,
you did labs and everything at your end, then you prepared for the certification and attempted the examination in Richardson, if I'm not wrong, right?
yes.
So 100% you took everything online. So did you find any differences, like you are not coming here physically and attending everything online? So did you struggle with where in anywhere during your online preparation, online classes, or it was very
No, I don't think so because everything is available on your portal. Every recording, every document was there for the exam point of view. So everything was available and easy to access. I didn't find any trouble and any difficulties to have anytime.
okay? Thank you, Mr. Amit. Thank you for giving us your valuable time.
No problem. Anytime.
The best.
Welcome.
Let's keep in touch and wish you a very happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time. Have a good day.
You. Bye.